So I was following this tutorial and I was making these hook objects in order to move parts of what would be my chord. And I was discovering that when I hit play, and if I move this, it moves very lightly. Whereas if I move the top part, it moves correctly. And I was thinking, well, why is that? And then I discovered that I've been doing things wrong. So, first of all, you need to have a cloud modifier. And second of all, here you need to have just one vertex group. In this one, the first one, I had two vertex groups. Don't ask me why. I've been playing with soft body also, and in that case you need two vertex groups, but no, you need one. And if you have one and it's a cloud modifier, it's pretty fine. And if I parent it with something else, it should work. In this case with this, if I play place, it works. So also, this can be done to soft body simulations, the hooks that follow the object. So in order to do that, first of all, if you already Control H, that means to create a new hook, it's here. You need to go here into cache option and then reset to default volume. So when you play it, then you can check it follows the object as it should be, and then if you play it again, it follows. If that happens to you, that means your cache is what it's interfering with everything. So you just need to select it, go to cache, reset to default volume, and then it should play. So if I play it again and I move it, you see it will move as it should. So every time you make a movement, especially when you need to play it in order to see if the hook is working, select your object with the soft body or the physics simulation that you are playing with and go to the cache option, right click, reset to default volume, or it's not going to work. In this case, this is a cloud simulation, you see, and you see it's not working. And why it's not working? Yeah, because you haven't put the reset to default volume. So I hope that this helps somebody, because the simulation not working as it intended was driving me nuts. So I hope it helps you or somebody. And if you have any other question or another solution, it would be nice that you put it in the comments.